Welcome, my dear audience. Today, I am going to start this topic under the umbrella of my YouTube channel, whose name is GeoSciences Horizon. Today's topic is geoscientists, only geoscientists. What is meant by geoscientists? What do they study? What do they use to interpret their results? What are their core responsibilities? What are the types of the geoscientists? How they act and react with different things? What are the areas of studies in geosciences? Means what geoscientists study and what are their importance in the job sector, in the professional domain. So first of all, I will tell you about the geoscientists. Geoscientists are those who studies about the earth history, earth composition, earth structure, earth physical processes, and about the atmosphere and the relevant studies related to atmosphere. They study about oil and gas. They are also called treasure hunters. They use they use chemistry, physics, mathematics, equations, and mathematical domain for the oil and gas and groundwater reservoir study. The core responsibilities include they do seismic work, interpretation, well logging, risk assessment, 3D modeling, 4D modeling, 2D seismic, etc. Types of geoscientists. Some of geoscientists are geologists who studies the rock formations, mineral composition, study of earth layers, the ingredients, composition of rocks in different earth layers, oil bearing rocks, how to drill them and how to get oil from them, hydrocarbon bearing rocks, organic rocks, and the geophysics to study who do the gravity and magnetic surveys, who studies about the seismic waves and see deep in the earth, underground mapping, underground picture of the earth they make, but ड्रिलिंग के बगैर. अब जियोकेमिस्ट क्या होते हैं? व्हाट आर द जियोकेमिस्ट्स? हो दे work on the chemical composition of fluids, rocks, or rocks containing fluids with respect to organic and inorganic behavior. And the other are the GIS, geographic information system, and remote sensing, and geomodelers who do geomodeling, and different types of other things, geomechanics, geo steering features, etc. With respect to earth and borehole studies. What are the area of study in the geosciences with respect to layers? Lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. Lithosphere means वो इसा जिसको हम कहते हैं सॉलिड अर्थ, जिसमें रॉक मिनरल्स हैं, वॉल्केनोज हैं, अर्थक्वेक्स हैं, प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स हैं और इनकी थ्योरीज वगैरह हैं. Hydrosphere mean water sphere mean layer. Hydrosphere water bearing layer in which there are oceans, rivers, groundwater, water table, water column, aquifer, aquitide, glaciers, etc. And third one is also called hot springs. Third one is atmosphere, in which there is air, how much weathers are, how much climate conditions are, how the greenhouse effect is in front of us, and the relevant things with respect to greenhouse gases, earth physical environment included in the biosphere. And next one is what is the importance of geoscientists? They find resources, they work on the natural disasters, prone areas which are very threatening to landsliding and geohazards like climate actions, and they study environmental disasters, etc. So this was the topic which was related to the geoscientists, who they are and what they do, and how they act and react with the society, with the rocks, with the different earth layers, with the different domain of subjects domain, etc. इंशाल्लाह माय डियर ऑडियंस, हम मुलाकात करेंगे नेक्स्ट सेशन में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ. अब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, दुआ में याद रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.